Guys, before we start, please make sure you stay until the end. We'll talk about common mistakes people make when checking fuses, relays that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you trying to find fuses, relays for the alternator, also known as generator on Volkswagen Tiguan, first generation here, guys. You will have hidden fuses. We'll talk about how to get to them. Please do not waste any money on parts, tools, diagnostics. If you have problems with the alternator, generator not working, we'll talk how we can easily fix it in some cases without replacing it, wasting our money after that. If you guys need to buy any replacement parts and tools, guys, we'll share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out, guys, and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. Before we start, guys, every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We show you how to fix engines, transmissions, bodywork, fuses, relays, all that stuff. Now, guys, that generation Volkswagen Tiguan will have many hidden fuses. Fuse boxes, different fuses, mega fuses, relays that are not accessible. That's why, guys, we made one special video that's called Volkswagen Tiguan Fuse Box Location and Diagram video that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Check it out, it will be on our website. Now, guys, we will be making video about every single fuse, every single relay in that car. Let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, you need to find where your fuel pump fuse is located. All you have to do, come to the channel, watch for a minute or two, replace the fuse, you're back on the road. Our mission is to save you money, guys. That's why we made more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Oh, and by the way, guys, if you need to buy any replacement parts and tools, check out, we'll share the links in the description of the video below, guys, and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. So, guys, the alternator, also known as generator, fuses, relays, where they're located. Let's go ahead, guys, and open the hood. When we open the hood on that Volkswagen Tiguan now, okay, we're going to support it here. Okay, so what we have now here on the very right side, okay, of the car, facing the engine on the driver's side, that's the main engine fuse box. Open that cover, guys, that's what it looks like. By the way, before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So, guys, now let's talk about common mistakes people make. When people see a fuse, okay, let's say they pull a fuse and they try to check it out, okay, they look at that fuse, okay, and they assume, okay, it's good, it's bad, but sometimes you cannot clearly tell if a fuse is good or bad. And you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, you start wasting money on parts, tools, diagnostics, module, and you go to repair shops for something that could have been quite easy fixed, such as a bad fuse. So always test your fuses, quite easy, guys. By the way, if you want to see, we have a special video on the channel how to test a fuse, but it's quite simple and often, okay, you can actually even test fuses without removing them to figure out, guys, okay, if these fuses are good or bad. For instance, mega fuses, there is no way that you can check if the fuse is good or bad. The only way is to test them, guys, to find out, okay, if these fuses are good or bad as well. Very important. Now, if you want to see how to test a fuse, detailed video how to test a relay, we have special videos about that, and we'll share the information in the description of the video below. And here, guys, on the front side of the fuse box, if you come right here, you see that's the mega fuse pack. That's where we'll be working, because the biggest fuse right here is 50 amps, 40, 50, 30, 30 amps. So none of those can support alternators. So alternator fuse is over 125, over 150 amps usually. Which fuses you need to check. If you come here, the numbers will be listed on top of the fuse. That's 200 amp fuse. You see that fuse right here, that's a mega fuse that we need to check, test for contact between this part and this part here. Now the next one is 80, 50, 50, 80, and this one will be 70, 60, 40. So those will not be, but that's the main fuse. Now if you have a 2008 to 2011 Volkswagen Tiguan, the fuse box will be different. It will have that layout. But guys, on the front side, the mega fuses will be individual, which is a better design in my opinion, because you can individually change one of them. And that 200 amp fuse, mega fuse right here, and you can actually even see if it's burnt or not without testing it. That's the one that you will need to check on your Volkswagen Tiguan. By the way, if you want to see how to test alternator, which is quite easy, how to test alternator on Volkswagen Tiguan, we'll have the video on the channel. Check it out, it will teach you how to do that step by step. As you saw guys, okay, this Volkswagen Tiguan has all kind of different fuses, mega fuses, standard fuses, mini fuses inside the car. You have different relays, mega fuse packs, all that stuff. If you want to see where you can buy replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, guys, we'll share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out. Our mission in the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, guys, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos for you. Hopefully the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. We have video about every single fuse relay in that car. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.